So bright, I'm gonna have to wear shades. Lyrics so deep, leave you lost like the Everglades. With more class in school days, my DJs find ways to make the ring drama like a phrase. Wordplay so fresh, I'm unpasteurized, and my beats will leave you stranded like the Lord of the Flies. We're going off like a firework in your front room. We're spelling doom in the dust in your tomb to this tune.
What are you doing chatting about Alyssa? You don't know that I fucked that girl a few weeks ago, black. Every day for a week, when she's supposed to be your girl.
I want a rich bitch like that.
Call me later, yeah?
I told him no, I'm here.
If Sam's friends, just come and stick something up.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What if he calls back now?
Still dawn like Tarantino, I'm a big fucking fish while he's still finding Nemo.
I'm sorry, yeah, this don't know.
It's okay.
It's cause you're so buff, yeah. Calm down, sweetheart.
Do you want to shop or what?
When you're sweat.
You get
I thought you were a baddie man.
What's up to your face? Look at me.
Jimmy, you're pregnant.
I want us to get back together.
what are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? Don't know, man.
Who's going to help you? Don't need any help.
Look, for all I know, the baby's his.
Ride with the mic in the tight beat, running all night. Memories are very bright.
You're gonna come up here like your back. So I'm gonna bang them up, so I'm gonna bust it, you understand me?
What's a scat like you?
Has he told you he don't want me?
Uncle, kill you!
You three pussies are finished tonight!
There'll be one reason why you should die!
Bye, Mum.